All right, guys, we're out here for a brand new video. It's going to be a video tour of a new model or a new floor plan I haven't showed you yet. But the question is, starts with the question. The question is this property the best for a single family home out here in Hendricks County, Plainfield, Indiana, HOBBS Station by Taylor Morrison Home Builders? Is this property right here possibly the best property for a single family home? Let's go inside. Let's find out if the Cobalt is it. So let's go in and check it out. All right, but first let's remind you where we're at. We're out here at HOBBS Station, Plainfield, Indiana, Hendricks County, and there is a lot of building going on. Now these properties you're going to see right here that don't have a garage, these are rear load garages. These are the properties here by Taylor Morrison. If you're looking for something like that, you get with Taylor Morrison out here at HOBBS Station. There's another builder out there here. If you want a front load, you're going to have to get with them, and we'll talk about that in another video. So let's go on in here. Like I said, this is the Cobalt. They're just now doing some punch out on here. So this property is ready for sale, and I'll give you some details in here once we get going. I already checked in here. I said they're doing some punch outs, but they're probably at lunch right now. So let's give you a quick tour of this property, this floor plan, and see if this could be the best single family property floor plan in this area. All right, let's give you some details about this floor plan. First of all, it is 2,052 square feet, 3-bedroom, 2.5, 2-story with a rear mount 2-car garage. Right now we're in the kitchen right here. You spin this around. Got your island, 1, 2, 3 bar stools. You have a nice large 6-foot slider out to a lanai. Come over here. You got your pantry. Big enough to put food on one side, small appliances on the other. Remember, you put your small appliances, keep this nice and clean. So when you have guests over, put everything in here. Make it look good. Another patio. You could actually extend that out further if you want. Possibly put some kind of privacy fence up there. Half bath down. And you got a coat closet as you're coming in from the garage door. This area right here, I don't know. Put a couple lockers for your kids. Have the boot drop off right there. Nice open, semi-open floor plan here. Show you the garage. Here's your 2-car garage with a little bit of storage area over here. So you could put your Christmas stuff in there, right? I like the windows in the garage. It gives nice, open, airy feel. Now this garage right here, I can't show you, but I'm going to drive around and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. This has a very short pad where if you have a big SUV, if you have a larger vehicle, you're not going to be able to park there, and I'll show you that. Just something to keep in mind if you're thinking about these rear load garages out here at HOBBS Station by Taylor Morrison. I do like all the windows. Another thing you want to realize that these homes are very close together. So hopefully you'll like your neighbors. Here's an issue I see with that patio. You've got your AC sitting right there. It's going to make noise for them in the summertime. Hopefully it's not that noisy. So when you open up your windows, you're also going to hear theirs. These are things, guys, you just need to keep in mind when you're looking to buy a home, build a home, or whatever it might be. This is a nice flex area. Could be used as an office or dining area, strictly up to the homeowner. All right, let's go upstairs. All bedrooms are upstairs, including the laundry area. This area here could be another office, could be a playroom for the kids. Nice long hallway down here. You've got your furnace and water heater up on the second floor. Gas heat. Another bedroom. These are not walk-in closets. This one does have a walk-in closet here. I like the window in there, lets in light. So that way you can see what's going on in the bedroom closet. All right, here you go. Is laundry area. That's where the washer would go, dryer, and you would have option for a water softener. Hallway bathroom. Going into the primary, master, whatever you want to call it. When I get downstairs, stay with me and you're going to get the price of this property. Here is the closet. Now guys, we went through this before. Men, this is your area. And if you're married or have a significant other, this will be her area. Your interface, networking, cable box. Nice big shower with a bench. All right, let's go back downstairs and I will give you the price of this property. I like all the windows here. It lets a lot of light in here. If there was not all these windows, it'd feel closed and confined. So it makes it feel bigger. All right, let's go back over here. The price currently right now is $373,999. Let's just go ahead and say at the time of this video, $374,000 for this property here. So, is this property the best property in this community for a single family home? Okay, remember, there is a lot that this community has to offer. It's going to have an open pavilion area. It's going to have a couple pickleball courts, restaurants within walking distance. Also, there is Vandalia Trail, which you can jump on your bike, head east. You go to a Mexican restaurant, a Japanese restaurant. If you head out west, there's some shopping. And if you jump on that trail, you can head all the way into, I believe it's out to Clayton. So there you go, guys. Could this property be the best property for a single family? You tell me, leave the comments down below. Also, my name is Devin Hunter. I'm a real estate agent out here in the Greater Indianapolis Metropolitan Area, Hinders County. This is where we're at right now. So if you're looking to buy, sell, invest, give me a call. You'll see all my contact information down below. Now, if you come out here to HOBBS Station and you meet Peyton, tell her I sent you, all right? Or I can set up a private VIP meeting with her, and I'll meet you out here at their model. We'll go in and she'll explain what Taylor Morrison has to offer, and then you decide if it's best for you living in this community. Now, they have other communities as well, but right now we're out here in Andrews County, Plainfield, HOBBS Station, and if you want that rear load garage, let's go out there right now and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about as far as not that much space to park your big vehicle. As you can see, the property has a nice large porch. You could have a couple chairs sitting right there, and on a spring, summer, fall day, drinking some sweet tea. You have a sidewalk comes out to a main community sidewalk. You have some parking down through here. You always want to pay attention to the lot that you pick, because some of these lots have these spaces out here, some don't. These are guest parking, and some might be, which might be over by the common area, and it might be more parking that people coming in the community to use those services might be parking there. Something to think about. Also, you see over here, you see where the mailboxes are. They do that. That way there's not mailboxes all down through here. Kind of cleans up the area. So here's an outside shot. There's the lanai that you see right there. Now let's go around to the back side, and I am going to show you that this Durango here can actually park on the parking pad for the rear load garage. A lot of building going on out here. This property right there, positioned great, because you can see there's nobody that could live right beside them. All right, here's the alley that your rear load garage would be connected to. Now these rear load garages, these alleys, the way I understand, parking is not going to be allowed on the street down through here. So let's pull up here and let's see, guys, as you can see that pad right there. So I'm going to come in here at an angle. I don't want to get too close to that. So let's show right now. All right, this is a Durango. It's not a full size, it's more of a mid-size. As you can see, the tail would be hanging out. There would be no way I could park this way. Now, if you had a small, I don't know, EV possibly, could park right there. I have a K5 as well. I don't think it could park right there. So as you can see, thinking about these rear load, rear mount, rear load, rear entry garage is something to think about, because those pads are not that big. All right, guys, something to keep in mind. Now, I'm going to tell you like it is. All right, I'm a real estate agent. I'm looking out for your best interests. Peyton over here at Taylor Morrison, she is looking out for the builder's best interest, okay? Just want you to keep that in mind. Peyton's a super nice person, but remember, you need to go in represented by a real estate agent. All my contact information down below. Feel free to reach out to me, call me, text me, email with any questions. Leave a comment down below if you would live in a property like this because of how close they are, or you like that. It's strictly up to you. As you can see right there, you would have their patio and your lanai right across from each other. I don't know, if you're good friends, you could walk back and forth and have a party. This could be party central. I don't know, up to you. A lot of building still going to be happening in this area. It's a great area, guys. All right, stay tuned for the next video. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit that notification. That way you get or hit that notification bell so that way you get that notification of when that next video comes out. All right, guys, have a great day.